Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to see about Python. In Python, we are going to see about modules and packages. So, what is Python modules? Python modules are nothing but we store in a folder for mastering the art of cleaning, maintenance, and reuse of code through Python's powerful module and also package system. What's a package? Package is nothing but we are creating a folder for reusing the file and it will not complicate for accessing the files again and again. Next, what are modules? Modules are a single Python file containing functions, classes and variables that can be imported and reused across the multiple programs, and also thinking of modules are building blocks that help you to organize your code logically and also our reputation. And every Python file will have installed as .python extension is a technical module, and also when you say math.python, you have to create the math utility module. Utilities module is nothing but we have a Python library, so we have to use the utility keyword. So what are the key benefits? Key benefits of Python is code reusability, and also it is easy to code, and across the projects, better organization, and also easy to maintain. Next one, it has a namespace management. What is namespace management? So it has an indentation error. So we have to manage it. Then last one is collaboration development. Collaboration development is nothing but we are developing a project to a company in Python coding or Python packages. We will develop a website using the Python code. So this is creating the first module. How to create the first module in Python? So first one we are calculating a Python code. So we are going to use .py for saving the module or saving the file in Python folder. So first one we are defining to add two numbers, sum of two numbers. So and also we are returning what is def? Def means definition. So we are using a simple project for adding numbers, subtracting numbers, and multiplication, and also we are finding module of 3. So for the same file we are going to use py extension for calculating and also for saving them, because we are saving Python as a package. Package is nothing but we are saving in a file in a folder. We can access two or more folder. So that the reputation and use of the Python code will be very easy, and it will store many of the packages. So what is input statement? What is input? When do you import? When you save a file, you will import. That's the import thing. So in packages of Python, what is importing? So when you are importing a folder, means you are saving in a folder. A package is nothing but you are saving in a folder of different file extension. That's a package. So basic import is import calculator result is equal to first of all we have the process we have. Then what process we have done? Addition program we have seen. So we have used the number 5 for addition, and also for subtraction. What's the input? Import. The input is addition. The next one also for importing file we have used import, add, subtract. What are the process we are doing? What we are doing? Adding and subtracting the same number in a Python package. So we are saving the addition and subtraction file in a different location, but in the same package. Okay. And also for import we have seen other calculating. In calculating we have seen the program multiplication, and also we are importing in a calculator function. So we have used this. So what are packages? Package of, as we have said, packages are nothing but modules organized in directories, creating hierarchical structures for larger projects. Every package directory contains a special in file which marks as a package, and also in directory structure in file, module organization and namespace control.
Myself Sahana, I am here to speak about what are packages. Packages are collections of modules organized in directories, creating a you.